you meet our boss, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, let him know that Kiambu County is fast forward in ensuring that this country changes and that our people change. I want to congratulate Your Excellency, my colleagues and my friends in our County Assembly of Kiambu. And I want to put this fully put to paid, Your Excellency, that I and the County Assembly of Kiambu, Your Excellency, that we are working together. And Your Excellency, that moving is to ensure that we build bridges and close ranks and ensure. I want to conclude by saying this, Your Excellency, that with you as our example, Your Excellency, and I like what our member for Tindred said here. Your Excellency, we would be the most foolish people, and we are not because you are there, if the opportunity that God has given us as the people of Mount Kenya region to make sure that we can redeem ourselves as a region, because we have the history from 1978 onwards and what happened to this region. But then God gave us the opportunity, gave us a president who loves us. And now, Your Excellency, we also have a team led by yourself and ourselves that is aware. What I would want to say, I started in Parliament, when I was senator, the 1 man, 1 vote, 1 shilling fight. And I want to declare here this morning, Your Excellency, that fight cannot be lost. And this is our time, Your Excellency, to ensure that we pick it up as the people of Mount Kenya region. If we lose that fight at this time, if we lose that push, and I want to urge my colleagues all the way from Tharaka-Nithi, all the way down through all our counties, up to here in Kiambu, where we border Nairobi, that we will never be forgiven by generations if we use this opportunity to promote interboundary and personal conflicts, that instead of joining together to change this country and to change this region, that we waste and squander the opportunity and fail to deliver on the vision and the wishes of our people. I want to say, Your Excellency, as I sit down, that we have faith because of the position you have taken and the position the President has taken. Ourselves as leaders, that if we choose to use this opportunity to shadow box between ourselves, to promote small conflict between ourselves, that will be the spectacle of the country, then we can only blame ourselves. God bless Kenya. God bless Kiambu County. God bless the people of Mount Kenya region. And I know this opportunity, if we take it the way we should, that we are going to change this country. Your Excellency, we respect you, we respect our president, and we want to say that we'll stand behind him and stand behind you. Thank you, our bishop, for showing the way.